I'm Brittany with WTI, and nothing makes my husband more nervous than me with a knife. So these FORTEM cut-resistant gloves have really put his mind at ease. These definitely have been a huge help to me. Now, I am not a great cook, my husband actually is, but I really want to do what I can to help him in the kitchen, and the role that I have taken is sous chef. But that means I am always constantly using a knife. I'm chopping, I'm grating. I have had so many mishaps. It not only helps me to not have to worry about hurting myself, but allows me to move faster, to chop and slice and grate without getting nervous as I'm getting close to the end. So as you can see, there are no noticeable stains. I've had them for many years and they look almost the same as when I got them. It works really well when I'm washing my hands and getting it all nice and clean. I think you're really gonna love them. It's a great thing to have in the kitchen, and that's my point of view.